Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the ninth video in my All About SDLC software development lifecycle series. In the previous video, we discussed about the deployment phase, where the software was installed on the production server or cloud and made live for the customer. Now, in this video, we will talk about the maintenance phase, the advantages and disadvantages of the waterfall model, and we will also see what kind of projects are suitable for this waterfall model. Now we will going to see the maintenance phase. Once the software is released to the customer, the maintenance phase begins. During this phase, the customer starts using the software in their real-time environment. If the customer faces any issues or errors while using that software, the software company provides support and fix those issues. That means while using the software, if the customer faces any issues or errors, the software company provides support and fix that. This support service is called as a software maintenance. Normally, the company offers free maintenance for a certain period. It could be 6 months, 1 year, or as mentioned in the agreement between the customer and the company. At start, software company provides services for free up to 6 months or 1 year as per the agreement between company and the customer. Once this free maintenance period is over, if the customer still needs supports or changes, the company will still provide it, but it will be paid services. After free service period is over, company will provide the paid service if only the company wants to extend that. Okay. So the maintenance phase ensures that the software continues to work smoothly, remains updated, and satisfies customer need even after the delivery of the software. Let's now look at some disadvantages of the waterfall model. That means the drawbacks of waterfall model. As we have seen the waterfall model fully, once you move to the next stage, you cannot go back to the previous one. That means the backtracking is not possible. Backtracking is not possible. If the customer wants to change or add any new feature later, it's difficult to do for the company. That means the requirement changes are not allowed in waterfall model. Requirement changes are not allowed. Next one. Since each stage must be completed before moving to the next, it takes a longer duration to complete the project. That means the waterfall model takes more time to complete the project. Takes more time. As the time required is more, then the cost required for the project is also more. That means high cost or the investment. The project cost becomes high because of its rigid structure or longer timeline. High cost. The waterfall model is very strict. It doesn't adapt easily to changing customer needs or dynamic requirements. That means it's not a flexible model. Despite these drawbacks, the waterfall model also have some strong advantages. Now we will going to see the advantages of waterfall model. The waterfall model is one of the most straightforward models suitable for beginners and small teams. That means the model is simple and easy to follow. Next one. Since every stage is properly documented and tested, the final software is usually of good quality. That means the software developed using the waterfall model has the better software quality. Next, clear step-by-step structure makes it easier for development to understand the workflow and develop systematically. That means it is helpful for developers. Now, let's see for what kind of projects is the waterfall model suitable. The waterfall model is used for simple and small projects when the requirements are fixed and not likely to change. That means simple and small projects. The waterfall model works best when everything is planned from the start. That means when the requirement changes are not expected, only that time we can use the waterfall model. When requirement changes are not expected. And for the machine critical applications such as X-ray machine, scanning machine, and ECG machine, or any hardware dependent software, their accuracy is more important than the frequent updates. In such systems, once the software is developed, we don't expect major changes, and that's where the waterfall model fits perfectly. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will move to the next SDLC model after the waterfall and explore how it overcomes these drawbacks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.